Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about different type of databases in market. Okay. So first one is relational database management system, that is RDBMS, time series databases and NoSQL databases. So in relational databases, what you get or what relational databases provide us, or what are the different type of RDBMS in the market. Basically, mainly use MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, Postgres, DB2. Okay, and we can say HANA as well. So relational database reference integrated structured data, SQL support transactional, or we can say that follow the ACID property. So every RDBMS follow the ACID properties. Okay, index and optimization, security and features. So these are the main features in the RDBMS you get. Okay, and in time series, the databases is influx databases, time SQL graphics, or we can say Prometheus. Okay, so that will allow us to write high ability of high write query performance, data compress, time based retention policies, built-in time series functions, scalabilities. And now coming to the new, we can say that no SQL databases, that is MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, CouchDB, Couchbase. Okay, so this is document type databases, column based data, key values, graphic databases, distributed architecture, concurrency control, and SQL compatibilities. Okay, so these are the main difference between RDBMS, NoSQL, and now the time series databases. So hope you understand this one. It is helpful to you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to share and subscribe and like this. Okay. Thank you.